If you have a hosting or website, your email marketing is about to get a whole lot easier. With Hostinger Reach now integrated into the Hostinger Website Builder, you can sync your website and email marketing seamlessly. So today I'm going to show you how to connect your site, automatically sync your contacts so you can get started on your first email campaign. Sounds good? All right, let's set it up. Okay, let's start inside the Hostinger Website Builder editor. First, you will need to find a way to capture emails onto your site. So navigate to where you want this form to be, and I recommend a visible spotlight just above the footer on your homepage. So I'll click Add Section, and from the menu, I'll select Subscribe Form. Let's pick a clean design, and once it's on the page, you can customize it to match your brand. Make it interesting so people want to sign up. When you're done, hit save and update your website. Now, let's make sure we have a contact to work with. Go to your live website and find your new form. Now, I'll type in a test email address and hit subscribe. This is just for demo purposes so we can see the sync in action. Okay, perfect. Now, back in your website builder dashboard, find form submissions in the menu. You'll see the test email we just submitted. To connect everything, click the Start Sending Emails button, and this will take you to the Hostinger Reach page. It's free for a whole year and perfect for just getting started. As your audience grows, you can upgrade whenever you need to. And when that time comes, remember to use our coupon code for an extra discount. You will find it as always in the description of this video. When the Hostinger Reach interface opens up, hit this button to sync the contacts with your website. Click it and then select your website to connect it to Reach. This is the most important step. When you connect your site, two things will happen. First, all the contacts you've already collected from your website forms are instantly synced into Reach. And second, from now on, any new visitor who signs up on your site will automatically appear here into your contacts. You will never have to manually upload a list from your website again. The sync only takes a few seconds, and if we go to the Contacts tab, you can already see our test email is there. Now that your site is connected, you can proceed with creating your first email campaign by clicking Create Campaign. The rest of the process is really simple. You'll connect your domain if you haven't already, and the AI will help you write the perfect email. We won't go into the detail here because, well, we have a full tutorial that covers everything from creating the email to tracking its performance. You can check it out over here, and I've linked that video for you in the description below as well. So, how do you improve your email marketing performance? Well, the key is to experiment, my friend. After you send a few campaigns, use your analytics and Hostinger Reach as a guide to start testing new ideas. So first, focus on the content of the email itself. Don't be afraid to experiment. You can try different subject lines, send one with a question and another with a direct statement to see which gets more opens. So inside the email, experiment with different visuals or layouts and try changing the text or color on your call to action button. These small adjustments can have a big impact on how many people engage with your content. Next, take advantage of the most powerful part of this integration, and that is targeted sending. Remember, Reach automatically creates contact groups based on the form people use to sign up on your website. Use this to send more relevant content. For example, you can create a specific welcome campaign for your general newsletter subscribers and a different, more personalized offer to those who signed up via a product interest form. Okay, so the trick is to test these ideas one at a time so you know what actually made the difference. Test consistently, and over time, you'll discover exactly what your audience loves to see in their inbox. And that's it. In just a few minutes, you now have a fully integrated email marketing system that automatically grows with your audience. Your next step is to build that first campaign, and we've got the full tutorial waiting for you right over here. This is just the beginning for Hostinger Reach, so we would love to hear your feedback in the comments. Let us know what you think. So to stay up to date with all the new features and updates we'll be rolling out, make sure you're subscribed to our channel. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.